is one of my favorite things. It's a little dirty right now because I was just using it. And I usually don't even straighten my hair, but now this is making me addicted. I still love me a good wet and wavy human hair. But my thing is, when it came to human hair, I'm like, all I know how to do was wet it and wash it. I really didn't know how to do anything else. And my own hair, I barely flat ironed it. I flat iron like this much. I flat ironed this much of my hair, and then I wet it again because I was like, this is too much work. I said all that to say that I haven't held a flat iron in 12 years. I bought this the other day when I first moved up here because I wanted to, I got my, do her up because I bought her wavy, so I wanted to figure out how to keep her wavy. So I went to Target and seen this Remington 4-in-1 waver. One tool, 4 looks. So now, this is nice for a beginner like me because now I got options. I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to do the low, the little cute waves, the little boom, 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 boom. The little mini speed bumps, that's what we'll call them. Little mini speed bumps, that's this right here. Now, I can transform you. I think, did Chris Brown patent this? Mark Wahlberg inside the box. So number 1, see how it's really short? Then you pull this up. Then you twist it, then you drop it. That's number 2. Comes out a little bit more. So now it's more of like a, as opposed to the do do boom boom boom, the heartbeat. So this is number 2. Then number 3, you pull it out again. Oh, wrong way. You pull it out again, then you drop, and then it's even a little bit more deeper. So the waves are getting deeper, deeper, deeper. That's what she said. Deeper, deeper. Volume. And now these are like the, I guess this would be considered the body wave portion, but yeah, I just had to stop and say that because I was cleaning up and this was just looking at me. So I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta let y'all know. Remington 4-in-1 waver. This is a bad thing. I feel like y'all judging me for wrapping my cord. Y'all judging me? It fits in the box when I do it this way, so. But I need something. So, let me tell you what I'm doing. No more locked doors. It makes me crazy. Was that offensive? I'm sorry. That was I take it back. I'm sorry. I said this is like lazy girl fashion. I just rinsed off. I still haven't washed this wig since I bought it, okay? Don't judge me. But I like cleaned off the lace area a little bit in the front where the baby hairs is. That's just what I intuitively felt like doing. And this came with the Airbnb. This is fire. Foxy Bay, I like it. I think that I'm gonna go with the deep and define because it's probably going to take up more space, and I want to be done quickly because the woman that I met the other day at Mimi's Cafe called May, asked May if I wanted to do some modeling. Hey, and I told her hell yeah. Now I'm getting dressed with the beach wave hair. Hey, oh, hey. I already told you I was a rapper. I don't even know why we even have to keep having this conversation. So let me go ahead and put this up. Y'all distract me. I've been putting this on 410 and it's been working for me. I want to spray a little bit of this Evie tinted lace aerosol spray. Enjoy the natural look of your lace wig. Medium brown. Make sure you do this in a well ventilated area. Ooh, alright. Now I got a little blonde. That was on purpose. That's that. Tinted lace so it doesn't look. Wikiana, I'm spraying my lace, Wikiana. I don't want it to fall off. I don't. Alright, and then whatever this is, actually I'm using this as a dual purpose. I've been using this as spritz and as glue to hold the wig down. So this says Melt Me Down Lace Holding Spray. I got this from the hair store. Ooh. I just spray this right here. I ain't got no wig cap. When I say this is just what I do, I just throw it on. You know, if y'all know something safer or better, just help me out. Leave a comment or something. Dang, don't be coming You ain't gotta come for me like that. I see you judging me. This is high. I said it's on 410, so you was taking me back to that place. I'm back. Alright, so secure to lace. I just want to make sure I don't got no Teletubby forehead. Is my forehead normal size? Or is it too little? You know what it is? What it is. I'm using the Gots to be in this. I be laying my edges, Nubiana. Okay, I'm done. Oh, for real, I'm done. For real. Oh, for real, I'm done. You know what time it is. I'll be back. I think I'm really starting to enjoy this day. Secure the lace. I actually just found this when I was down there. That was exciting. I said I was gonna stop saying so, and here I go saying so. So, I affirm that this is going to be the last day that I say so on the internet. More than 5 times in 5 minutes. 4-in-1 Remington waiver. That's too little. I'm gonna do this one light and beachy. I'm doing light and beachy. We light and beachy today. Then I take it. And this part right here, this is the part that I kind of struggle with. This is why I have to start getting gel nails on my toes, because when it comes to the waiting for it to be done part, that's the part that kind of gets me. That was a moment of silence for all the patient people out there. I think that was enough time. I should have been timing that. Yep, hell yeah, that was enough. Next. I got a feeling somebody's watching me. Shining, 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 shining now. All of this swing got me losing my mind. That's cute though, ain't it? That's number 3, okay. Yes, and then I'll come back when I'm done.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I